Hi, I'm Dr. Kosminski. I'm the chair of the physics department at Lewis University. On behalf of the department, I'd like to welcome you to Lewis and give you a little overview of our department and what courses you might be taking in the fall. I look forward to meeting you as we go through the registration process and in the fall semester. The physics department is part of the College of Aviation Science and Technology, or COAST. We have 6 faculty members who have research in a variety of areas, including high energy physics with Fermilab, materials science and nanotechnology with Argonne National Lab, as well as optics, condensed matter, physics education research, and other areas. We have about 60 physics majors, and we've been averaging about 16 graduates per year for the last 3 years, which actually puts us in the top 15% of graduating class size for master's granting physics departments in the country. So class sizes are still quite small, but we have the opportunity to offer some of the topics courses that might not often be able to be taught at other schools. So we offer several programs in physics. We have the Bachelor of Science in Physics, and there's several tracks in that. There's the Advanced Physics concentration if you're thinking about going to graduate school or industry, especially research and development areas, or getting a job at a national lab. We have an Applied Physics concentration, which gives you a core physics major but then adds on technical electives in other areas. So for example, if you wanted to do medical physics, which does require a physics degree, you could do your core physics courses and tack on the necessary chemistry and biology courses for that concentration so that you can go on for your advanced degree in medical physics. Chemical physics is another concentration that lives at the interface of chemistry and physics. So things like nanotechnology and some forms of alternative energy um, are, uh, are examples of chemical physics research areas. And then we have a 4+1 track, which is a fast track getting you a bachelor's degree and a master's degree in physics in 5 years. You take 9 graduate hours your senior year, which count toward both your undergraduate and graduate degrees. We have a Bachelor of Arts in Physics for high school teaching. This is a great track if you've thought about secondary ed, and there's a lot of job security in that area. Physics is actually the most needed discipline in the high schools in Illinois and across the country. So we have a good program for certification in that and some scholarship money available when you get to your junior and senior years. And then there's the joint program in engineering, which is 5 years. You get 2 degrees, a bachelor in physics from Lewis, and then a bachelor of science in mechanical or aerospace engineering from Illinois Institute of Technology. Now, you don't have to decide right now which track you're going to go into, and it's very easy actually to switch between these tracks, really until the end of your second year and even into your third year. Um, so you have a lot of program flexibility, and all of these tracks will have you take basically the same first year sequence of courses. So a typical class schedule for first year students would be General Physics 1 and the lab, Calculus 1, General Chemistry 1 in the lab, College Writing 1, and the Cornerstone Seminar. So this is about 17 credit hours. Now, not every student takes exactly that schedule. There can be modifications. For example, if you want to take pre-calculus, we do have an off-sequence track that would still allow graduation in 4 years. And you could take pre-calculus your first semester to lay a little bit firmer mathematics foundation, and then do general physics and calculus 1 your second semester. Other modifications are if you took AP courses, you might be able to start in Calculus 2 or General Physics 2 or you may be able to take something other than college writing as a general education course. So these are all things that will be discussed with you during your advising session, but you should think about these and what courses you might like to take before you start advising. In addition to your deciding on your courses, I want to show you some opportunities that you have as a student in the physics department at Lewis, and start thinking about what you might want to get involved in during your time here. So we offer undergraduate research in a variety of areas. We have affiliations with Fermilab and Argonne, so we have a number of areas that you can jump into in physics research. Um, this is open even as early as second semester of your freshman year, if you do really well in your classes. So you can start research early on. Talk to your professors about opportunities and find out about the things that we're studying here at Lewis University. Take advantage of opportunities to present at conferences when you get them, or to even just attend conferences and see what a scientific meeting is like. We also have a colloquium series where we bring in speakers from a whole range of disciplines, and I would encourage you to take advantage of those. And even if we're not able to have these on ground, we do plan to have them online. And we actually had our first online colloquium right at the end of this last semester. We plan to have a few talks over the summer as well that you should you should look at. We'll send you links when we get that schedule up. And another important thing we do as a department is science outreach. So I encourage you to get involved with the Society of Physics students and participate in various activities like these outreach events, and help us redefine actually what outreach looks like if we're still socially distanced in the fall. This is another one of our fun events where we build catapults to launch pumpkins and compost bins after Halloween. Hopefully we'll be able to have this event again live in the fall, but if not, look for it in coming years. This is an opportunity for you to help design and build a catapult and take part in this event that is a lot of fun and helps the environment in association with Will County Green. And just to give you a little overview, we've had students go on for graduate work, both PhDs and master's degrees in physics and other areas of physics like medical physics. But we've also had them go on for graduate work in engineering in a variety of areas: mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, aerospace engineering, straight out of the physics degree after 4 years. And these are some of the schools that our graduates have attended. And our grads are successful at getting jobs. Physicists are very versatile, and there are many types of jobs that you can get as a physics major. So I'd encourage you to explore these different types of job opportunities as you go through your physics career, and to talk to your advisors and to alumni and speakers that we bring in to give talks and to let you know a little bit more about the opportunities that are out there. So I'd like to thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at my email address. I'm happy to get back to you and answer those. I look forward to meeting you at registration or in August, and I hope that you have a great summer and stay healthy.